Okay, sige. Back to the ball game tayo.
Yes, sir.
Ang question ko talaga doon is, since sa mga banters natin, sino yung magdidictate ng ng improvement? Kasi alam natin may something to improve talaga yung industry.
Yes.
Sino magdidictate? Yung maturity ba ng audience or yung network? Sa network mag-start yung maturity na yun.
Go, guys. You go first. You answer
Sino
first.
ba ang gumagawa ng influence, which is the TV or network? As audience, we adapt of what we hear and what we see. So, kailangan siguro may mag-change within the whole market, the inside. Kasi tayo talaga, totoo yun, nag-adapt naman yung
You can
audience.
say network. Inside the network. Hindi, wala naman tayong sinasabing.
Yung network.
Yun.
Kasi
diba?
tayo, we're meant to adapt kung ano yung pinapakita sa atin, kung anong
Mismo.
hinahain sa atin.
Kaya pansin mo minsan, minamanipulate nila yung mga ibang shows para ito lang yung matutunan ng mga ibang tao. Especially the
alam
news,
mo, kaya
diba?
nga tawag is programming.
Yes.
Program.
Here. They program you here.
Yeah.
And once
Mic drop na
nagulat ka.
Mic drop.
Sige, pero question. Why do you think it's not changing? Bakit?
Because siguro...
Kung nasa kanila pala, kung nasa networks pala yung
sa
control,
akin,
bakit wala nag-change?
Because they get used to it sa formula na nag-work sa kanila. It's all about the formula, kung ano yung nag-work sa kanila. Kasi sinabi ko nga, at the end of the day, I mean, we're doing business. Kung ano nag-work sa kanila na formula, sa business nila, they will still keep doing it. Kasi it generates already
Mismo.
the bag.
Kumbaga yun na yun.
Don't change what is
Wala. Parang wala ng...
Ayun ang nakikita ko.
Yes.
sa
Kung ako
pananaw
naman ang sasagot nun, well, tama yung sinabi talaga ni Bogs na nag-uumpisa talaga yan doon sa loob. Kasi hindi naman, walang lalabas kung wala nagsimula sa loob. Wala silang papanoorin, wala silang aabangan kung walang inisip yung loob. So, ang una mo talagang dapat ayusin, I think, sabi nga to ni Philip sa SB19, sinabi niya na parang, ang mga tao kasi hindi pa ready tumanggap ng ibang sound of music, but they did the work. He did the work. Nakita niya na parang minahal naman din yung music na ginagawa niya. So, I think, binago nung loob, binago nung artist. Nag-adjust yung audience. What more kung hindi lang yung artist yung... Kasi ako, gusto ko, I'm an artist too. I have something here. But they won't allow me to do that because there's someone there na hindi sila pumapayag because it's a new thing for them. Maybe hindi kumita, maybe hindi magustuhan, but it's just maybes, full of maybes. Pero pag what if, yun yung gusto kong gawin dito sa industry na parang gumawa ako ng sarili kong show na lahat ng papalabas ko, standing ovation lang. Kung hindi man, alam mo yun, ma-feel nung artist ko na maraming salamat. Binigyan mo tong chance na to. Matagal ko na tong nasa isip, gustong gawin. Pinigay mo to sa akin. And then, I think wala namang magagawa yung audience kung yun ang ipalabas mo eh. Basta, wag ka lang maglalabas ng something na masama, something na inappropriate, and something na hindi maganda. Alam mo naman din kasi yung maganda eh, 'di ba?